Sad day indeed. Terrible story. All right, Bob, turning to weather, we are heating up in the Treasure Valley.
Yeah, about 10 degrees warmer, and you're going to notice that. And today might be about the most interesting weather day of the whole week. As I look ahead at that extended forecast, let's get right to it. Here's our weather headlines. Some mountain showers, some thunderstorms around Baker City into McCall. Some of those thunderstorms could produce some of those outflow winds that might even affect the Treasure Valley later today. So we could see some gusts in the 35-mile-per-hour range if those thunderstorms do develop, and our computer model says they will. Warmer for today by about 10 degrees, near 90 degrees by Friday, and a dry week ahead after our showers to the north today. Here's a look at Doppler radar. Similar showers starting to form between Bend and Pendleton, and here's our future radar. As we go through the time steps later today in the afternoon with the heating of the day, some showers possibly developing around John Day, Baker City, into the McCall area. And again, when those thunderstorms die off, this cold air hits the ground and spreads out, and they can produce some outflow boundaries is what we call them. It might produce some winds even down here in the Treasure and Magic Valley, moving through the Snake River Plain. Might see some gusts in the 35-mile-per-hour range. Kind of foggy in Cascade this morning by the Whitewater Park, but not so much by May Marina in McCall, and certainly no fog here in Boise, and some dry pavement out there. Nice pleasant morning, 56 degrees, a little bit warmer than yesterday morning. Our almanac page, 84 degrees. Our daytime high will be below normal by about 7 degrees for this July the 12th. Water vapor imagery here has a low pressure system just off the Canadian coast, and we have a little short wave developing right here in Oregon. That will be tracking just to the north of us, and that will be the weather maker for Baker City into McCall. Again, it could produce some showers, some thunderstorms this afternoon. Here's our Futurecast computer model. Here's noontime. The possibility of even some passing showers as early as noon for Baker City, and a little bit more plentiful as we head towards 5:30. And again, when those thunderstorms die off, they might produce some winds here in Boise. That's our main effect. We'll stay pretty much sunny most of the day, and a little bit warmer. As far as rainfall accumulation, today mainly confined to locations to the north. Places like John Day, Baker City, and McCall could pick up some measurable precipitation along with salmon. Also the winds possibly picking up. Here's the winds developing, probably the strongest winds right around 7, 8 o'clock. Could see some sustained winds of 20 miles per hour and some stronger thunderstorm wind gusts this afternoon here in Boise. And as far as the temperatures, a bit warmer today by about 10 degrees. We'll top out in the mid-80s, and then a little bit cooler tomorrow. Not as much orange showing up on the map, but then we'll warm back up a bit for the warmest part of the day on Thursday. A lot more orange showing up with some upper 80s many locations. Here's our regional forecast. Sunny and warmer for today. Twin Falls high 84 degrees. Mostly sunny, warmer, isolated showers and thunderstorms for McCall and Cascade, and possibly even the Sun Valley area. And meanwhile, down here in the valley, just sunny, windy this afternoon, and then temperatures just below normal pretty much all week long with sunny to mostly sunny skies. That's Liga weather.